Well, hello everybody. For some reason, this remote control is really giving me the blues this morning. Good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to make some all natural deodorant. No paraffins, no aluminum, just all natural. And I'm going to use 3 different ingredients. Well, actually, one ingredient is just a different scent here, which will be my lavender, my essential oil. I chose the lavender. And I actually had started making the video, and I had my deodorant containers, and all 3 of them are defective, which was really made me mad. Very, very mad. But anyway, today this is what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make my deodorant. I have the arrowroot flour here, the all natural arrowroot flour. I'm gonna be using this, coconut oil, and my essential oil, which would be the lavender. So what I'm going to do, I have a half a cup here. I'm going to do a half a cup of the arrowroot flour in a bowl. Just a half a cup here. Put that in there. Also, half a cup of coconut oil. This one is new. It's liquefied already because it's warm, which is great. So I actually had one here too. So what you see, I add the 2 ingredients together. The arrowroot flour and the coconut oil. So I'm going to take and mix them with a spatula here in this bowl. So what you do is just mix it together. Till all the lumps and bumps are out of the mixture here. Hello to all my present subscribers. Hello to all my new subscribers. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank everyone that's followed me thus far, that's watching. I think I kind of got the mixture together here. I don't know if you can quite see it, but just gonna put a few drops of my essential oil in. Transfer it over to my little roll-on bottles here. You have yourself all natural deodorant. No aluminum, no paraffin, no harmful chemicals. Which works for me. Because I know that some of the deodorants have been, studies have showed that it has caused some women, I don't know if it's the aluminum and paraffin, the different ingredients that's in the shampoos that's on the store shelves, has been linked to breast cancer. And I am a cancer survivor, so I definitely don't need it. So I have my little deodorant bottles here, the little roll-on ones, because I had these at first, and they're defected under the bottle. Even with the lock on there, the deodorant was coming out. So the first batch I made, I actually put it in a little jar. Should have had this off already, because these are not easy to take off. That's for sure. Let me get this one. This one's a little easier. So this is what it's looking like here. Actually going to pour my mixture into this cup here. It has a spout on it. Makes it easier to pour into the little bottles here. Okay, we're gonna apply this back on here. Make sure it's on here evenly and tight. Here's the top. We'll let that one sit. And gonna wrestle with this to get this off. I should have had them off before I started the video because these are not easy to take off. I'll tell you that much. And my hands are kind of greasy here. I'm gonna have to add it in these after the video because this one, I got this one. Pop this back down on there really good. Got this one on. Make sure everything is on evenly. Here's another one. That's the roll-on deodorant. So we'll be using these as the roll-on. Oh Lord, I always wanted to give you the most trouble. And my hands are really, really slippery. This will be added on. And this is the end of this. There's just no more. Okay, so this is my homemade, all natural, paraben-free, aluminum-free deodorant. So here it is. This is all I had left, so that's why that's not full. Here's this one. Here's that one. There's the third one. Arrowroot, all organic flour. Arrowroot and coconut oil. One thing I forgot to do is put my essential oil, my drops in there. I can actually pop the tops off of these and just put a drop in each of them. I use the lavender. I have lemon upstairs. I have different flavors, but I was gonna try the lavender here. So there you have it. I'll leave all the ingredients in the bottom on my webpage there for the YouTube webpage. The YouTube page, I'm saying webpage, but on my YouTube, I'll leave it in the description. It's a half a cup of arrowroot flour, half a cup of coconut oil, and your choice of whatever essential oil, whatever flavor you like to put in for your deodorant. Stir it real good, and then if you have any little containers, don't be like me because all three of these were defective. I was pretty mad about that. So I had some roll-on bottles too that I forgot I had ordered, so I put some in there. And you can also have a little glass, if you have like a little glass jar, little glass container with a little nice little tight lid, you can actually put them in there. Put your deodorant in there. So there you have it. Just wanted to show you guys the all-natural deodorant. I actually have three different deodorants that I make with kind of the same ingredients. Some of them share the same ingredients with a little bit of different ones added. But this is what I use as far as deodorant. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Everyone who has followed me thus far, I appreciate it. Very much appreciate it. Thank you all for watching Unique Creations. And I think I might make another one. I also have an ingredient for a dark circles under the eyes, so I'm going to be making that probably next. But thank you all for watching my channel. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Everyone have a blessed, beautiful day today. God bless. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to see if I can work this. My remote control keep acting crazy, so I'm probably going to have to get up and cut it off. Yep, going to have to get up and cut it off. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.